Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Hinton, Alberta, a small town nestled on the edge of the Canadian Rockies. This community is known for its natural beauty with forests, rivers, and mountain views in every direction. Hinton was officially established in the early 1900s, and it has grown steadily ever since. The town was named after William P. Hinton, who was a vice president of the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway. Railways played a big role in shaping this area, bringing settlers, industry, and connection to the rest of the country. Today, Hinton is a popular stop for those heading to Jasper National Park just to the west. Locals enjoy hiking, biking, and exploring the nearby Beaver Boardwalk, one of the longest freshwater boardwalks in Canada. It's also a great place to spot wildlife, from deer to beavers, and even the occasional bear. Whether you're here for a quick visit or planning a longer stay, Hinton offers a peaceful escape with plenty to discover. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Hinton, Alberta. Thanks for watching.